On YouTube, Brandon Lachuga here. Thought I'd make a quick video on the new tow hitch I got for the GTR. I think it'll look kind of good. It's supposed to be a little bit more purple. It's a light purple, unlike the GTR, so we'll see how that looks. But the point of the video is I'm going to show you really fast how to install it. So all you really need for this is a flathead, which I just need to find one really fast and we can get started. So what's great about these is I personally think they look good. I think it gives the front a little bit more of an aggressive look, a little bit more unique look. And where we're going to put it is where you can normally put, there's an attachment for a license plate. There's the nitro truck. So in the back, you can see there's a place for the license plate. So in the front, there isn't a place for the license plate. So normally they make a nice little attachment also that goes right here in the front where you can put either license plate or nice little tow hitch. So really fast, we're gonna go through this. I'm gonna show you how to pop it off. Just get a flathead, pull on that side, and then pull on all the sides, loosen it up a little bit, because you don't want to scratch the paint or anything. There we go. It's all pretty loose on all the sides, so just kind of pop it off. So actually I had already popped this off, so I'm going to show you really fast. This little piece went in here like that, so that's going to be attached in here. So what you're going to have to do is pinch it from the back end and then slide it through. But now, yeah, so this is where you can either put a license plate or just a nice little hitch. So you just line it up in there, make sure it's in, and you just twist it in. So, oh, I missed. Let's see. There we go. Make sure it's lined up. There we go. Just twist it in. So I'm going to twist it in, and I'm going to make it really tight, but there it is. So that's really it. Yeah. Stay tuned, because hopefully I'm going to start building this GTR up, swap out the throttle bodies, get a tune to E85, a bunch of different things. It's already got the cold air intakes, HKS blow-off valves, bigger intercooler pipings, and everything. And it has a Jotech tune on it, but still I want to, you know, still build it, put air ride on it, because there's like no gap at all. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be a big project coming here pretty soon. Lots of things going on with this, but as of right now, I got this for Christmas, and I just want to show you how to install it really fast. So I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, and if you want to tighten it down more, let's see if I have any wrenches. It's probably too big. Oh, it's actually too small. So anyways, what you do is grab right here, tighten it down. Do that a few times. Tighten it, not crazy tight, but enough to where, you know, nobody would be able to steal it. And if it does ever need to be towed, it's reliable and it holds on pretty good. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you, if you're thinking about getting one, now you know what it looks like, and now you know how to install it and everything. So there it is right there. It looks good. A lot of projects coming. Garage remodel. I'm trying to finish painting it. I'm going to do a black stripe and then a green stripe. And well, actually on this side, I'm going to do a purple stripe with black all the way to right there. Then on this side, I'll do a green and black for the paint job on this. And then this is also green, green. So I'll probably just keep it green and black all the way across. So yeah, stay tuned. And again, I hope you found this video helpful. Check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.